This is my science experiment on seed dispersal called Seeds on the Run. My student misconception was plants only grow because humans plant seeds. My research question was, what are the characteristics of seeds that disperse through wind and water? My hypothesis was the seeds dispersed by the wind and water have wing-like projections, while seeds that are dispersed by water are small and light in weight. Wind dispersal. This is the main type of seed dispersal and is broken down into 3 subcategories. Seeds that fly or glide. These seeds have wings that enable them to glide like a helicopter or plane through the air. Some have tails that guide them, similar to a kite. Examples of this kind of seed are sycamore, postilla, and alsometra. The picture below is an example of a sycamore seed. Seeds that drift are also dispersed by wind. These weightless additions to plants allow the wind to carry them the longest distance. A common example of this is a dandelion, a liatris, and a willow herb. A dandelion is pictured below. Seeds that are released from pods. The wind shakes the stalks of these plants so that their seeds spill out. An example of these types of wind dispersal seeds are poppy, columbine, and evening primrose. This is a picture of a poppy plant. The other type of dispersal is water dispersal. Plants that grow in water and some that grow around water use this type of dispersal. Plants that grow in water are yellow water lily, lotus, and cattail. This is a picture of a yellow water lily. Plants that disperse through water that are out of water are mangroves, coconut, and foxglove. These plants grow near bodies of water, which cause their seeds to fall in the water and travel. This picture is an example of a mangrove seed. After classifying these seeds into wind dispersal or water dispersal, I found that not all seeds dispersed by the wind have long wing-like projections or are wide. In fact, the smaller seeds that drift, such as the dandelion, weigh less and are more easily dispersed by the wind and will go farther in distance than those that glide or fly. I also discovered that not all seeds dispersed by water are small and light in weight. The mangrove seeds are larger and weigh a lot. Water dispersal mainly depends on the type of body of water it is and if the flow of the water is light or heavy. I carried out my investigation by deciding what dispersal methods I wanted to focus on, choosing wind and water dispersal as my categories because they are the most in-depth. Then I began to research plants whose seeds disperse in that particular way. I then broke down the 2 main dispersal methods into subcategories, helping me to understand the size and shapes of seeds in relation to their dispersal. There were no difficulties that I encountered during this investigation. I did not find much work done on this topic other than plant websites describing seeds and how plants grow, and experiments done using seeds and how they disperse. Future research questions could be, can seeds disperse more than one way? Can some seeds during water dispersal sink if they are too heavy? And how fast do seeds disperse during wind dispersal?